Student, today we learn the chapter differentiation. In the previous videos, you have already learned about the limit, continuity, and definition of differentiation, first principles, use of trigonometrical substitutions, and also use of log. And today we will use the log to solve the differentiations of infinite series. Use of log to solve the differentiation of infinite series. Okay. As you have already know how we will use the log and when we will use the log. So I am coming directly on the questions and you will learn this by questions. So start it. Let question is, if y equal to x to the power x, again power x, again power x up to infinite, then find dy by dx. Now if y is given in the questions, if you write the answer in white, then no problem. Okay, if y is not given in the questions, then you should not write the value answer in y. Now you can see, if we reduce 1x, this one, if we reduce this 1x, and we can write here y from here, y equal to x to the power x to the power x. There are infinite x. So if we reduce 1x, no problem. So your question is also from here, that is y. So we can write it y equal to x to the power y. Now you can see here variable to the power variable. In the previous video you already known in this way, we have to taking log both sides. Log both sides. So taking log here and log of x to the power y. What we can write here? Log y equal to y into log x. Now on differentiate both sides. Now log y differential is 1 upon y dy by dx, and here we are using the multiplication formula. Differential of y is 1 and using implicit function, so it is dy by dx into second function plus first function differential of second function. Now taking dy by dx here and common, we can find the value of this dy by dx. So taking this way, taking the common dy by dx, what we got it? We got it dy by dx 1 upon y minus log x equal to y by x. Now if we want to be taking the LCM here, 1 minus y log x equal to y by x, and now using cross multiplication, y square upon x 1 minus y log x. Okay, so this is your required answer. Okay student, so understand how you can use the log in infinite series. We will do some more questions. Y equal to under root sin x plus under root sin x plus under root sin x plus dash 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 up to infinite. Okay, so prove that dy by dx equal to cos x upon 2y minus 1. So student, it is infinite series. Now you can see here under root sine x. So here is under root sine x, means this whole value is y. Okay, this whole value is y. So we can write here plus y. So now we can write equal to y equal to under root sine x plus y. Now squaring both sides. Y square equal to sine x plus y. Okay, so now we can differentiate both sides on differentiate both sides. Y square differential is 2y dy by dx implicit function. Differential of sine x is cos x, differential of y is 1, and dy by dx, taking dy by dx here and common, what we get here, 2y minus 1, here left is right side cos x, therefore dy by dx is equal to cos x upon 2y minus 1. Okay, now it is proved. Do next question. Y equal to a to the power x and again a to the power x and again dash 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 up to infinite. Okay, prove that dy by dx equal to y square log y upon x 1 minus y log x minus log y. It is into. Okay, now we can write here y equal to, starting with a, so we can write here y equal to a to the power x to the power y. Okay, so now taking log both side, now if this xy is here x to the power y log a. Now we can see here we have to take again log both sides, since here x to the power y. So again log both sides, log of log y equal to log of x to the power y into log a. We can use this formula log of x to the y plus log of log a. Now we can write here y log x plus log of log a. Okay, so now we will do the differentiate on both sides. Right, now on differentiating both sides with respect to x, now both sides with respect to x, what we got, now you can see here log of log y 1 upon log y and differential of log y 1 upon y. Okay, and since we are doing the differential of y, So implicit function dy by dx. Here we will use the multiplication formula and it is constant term. The differential of this is 0. So we can write here 1 upon log y, differential of log y and implicit function, therefore it is dy by dx equal to, using multiplication formula, differential of y, and we write dy by dx into log x plus y into differential of log x 1 upon x, and differential of log a, that is constant, it is 0. Now taking dy by dx common here, dy by dx we can write 1 upon log y into y minus log x equal to y by x. Okay. Now you can see we have to take the LCM here. So LCM is here log y into y 1 minus log x into y into log y equal to y by x. Now using cross multiply, y square into log y, okay, upon x in bracket 1 minus and y log y into log x. Okay, so it is proved. Okay, now do more questions. Y equal to e to the power x plus e to the power x plus dash 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 dash. Show that. I think you are understanding this type of the questions. Dy by dx equal to y upon 1 minus y. Now you can see here starting with e, so we can write this one is y, e to the power x plus y. Now taking log both side. Now we can use here x plus y log e base e, and what is the value of log e base e? That is 1. So we have to differentiate of log y x plus y. Okay. So now on differentiate both side, 1 upon y dy by dx log y 1 upon y implicit function dy by dx, differential of x is 1, it is 1 dy by dx. Taking dy by dx here you can write 1 upon y minus 1 and taking LCM, so therefore dy by dx y upon 1 minus y, and it is proved. Okay, so are you understanding the better way these questions? Now I will do one more question. Y equal to x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus dash dash dash. Okay, prove that dy by dx equal to 1 up y upon 2y minus x. So we can see here y equal to starting with x here, x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon. So starting with x here we can write x plus 1 upon y. Okay, so before starting we have to find the dy by dx. If we want to be cross multiply, we can cross multiply, no problem. Now on differentiate, 2y dy by dx equal to product formula 1 dy by dx into x plus y into 1 plus 0. Now taking dy by dx here and common, 2y minus x equal to y. So we can say dy by dx equal to y upon 2y minus x. Hence it is proved. Okay, student. So student, you are learning very well about this topic. I think it is easy. If there is a problem, you can go through your any books and try to do better. Now I am doing one more questions for this. If y equal to sin x upon 1 plus cos x upon 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x upon 1 plus dash 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 infinite, then prove that dy by dx equal to 1 plus y cos x plus y sin x upon 1 plus 2y plus cos x minus sin x. Okay student, 1 plus y bracket cos x plus y sin x upon 1 plus 2y cos x, 2y plus cos x minus sin x. So student, one plus y cos x plus y sin x. Okay, now you can see starting the question with sin here, and here is a sin. You can see sin upon 1 plus cos x. From here, this one is y. Okay, so what we can write here? Hence we can write y equal to sin x upon 1 plus cos x upon 1 plus y. Okay, are you understanding? Now we can take the LCM here. Y equal to sin x upon 1 plus y, 1 plus y plus cos x, and we can write here sin x into 1 plus y upon 1 plus y plus cos x. Okay, so if we cross multiply, then we can get y plus y square plus y cos x equal to, here is also we can do the multiplication or leave it, 1 plus y into sin x, and on differentiate both sides. Dy by dx into 1 plus y square is 2y dy by dx plus y cos x, product formula 1 dy by dx into cos x plus y into minus sin x. Okay, now here product formula 0 plus 1 dy by dx into cos x plus 1 plus y into minus sin x. Understand? Look carefully what we have to do. Now student, taking the dy by dx on the same side, you can check it. 1 plus y sine x. Again we can check is dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx plus 1 into dy by dx cos x. Okay, and minus y sine x. Okay, 0 plus 1 dy by dx into cos x, no, sine x. This one is cos x, that is sine x, plus 1 plus y, and differential of cos x sine x is cos x. It is sine x, so it is sine x, differential of sine x is cos x. Now taking dy by dx, dy by dx, this dy by dx here this side, and taking common, what we got it, dy by dx taking common, what we got it, 1 plus 2y plus cos x and also minus sine x, and here we are left here 1 plus y cos x plus y sine x. Just check it. Dy by dx 1 plus 2y plus cos x, and here is also dy by dx taking common here minus sine x, and what we left here 1 plus y cos x, and this one is here 1 plus y sine x. Okay, so now we got it, dy by dx equal to 1 plus y cos x plus y sine x upon 1 plus 2y plus cos x minus sine x. So student, it is proved. So student, this way you can solve the other questions of infinite series. Now in the next video I will do the differentiations of parametric functions, right? So you have to wait for this. Thank you for watching.